Hello friend, welcome back in Excel lessons. My name is Lalit and today I will show you how to calculate running total, right? So this is our data set and in this data set I have some codes. So for each code it has some amount. So I want to aggregate here to calculate the running total here and for all the amounts, right? So what I will do here is I'll just use some formula. Now provide the range by pressing equal to sign and then pass sum and and I'll hit enter, right? So what I'll do here is I'll just select this first cell and press F4 to free this cell, right? Once I'll click enter and then I'll drag this to the whole range. Now my running total is working, so you can also check first two cell the sum is 929, so it's reflecting here. Sum of these three cell is 1236, which is reflecting here. So now this is working, right? So in this way we can calculate the running total. So this is all about this video. Hope you will like it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.